Hi, I am Mariah Hilbert with Horizon Group USA, a leader in jewelry making, fashion apparel crafts, and kids crafts. I am proud to introduce Susan Lenart Kazmer, an explorer, inventor, designer, and an artist of mixed media art, to bring you a unique, one-of-a-kind, found object jewelry components collection, Industrial Chic, only available at Michael's stores. Join Susan as she demonstrates how to turn commonplace objects into heartfelt story charms and jewelry.
Hi, I'm Susan. In this segment, I'd like to actually show you how I work with my pendants and just a lot of the pieces and components that are in the work. I like to use chain or leather and wire forms. And I just wanted to show you how I use and put together a lot of these pieces. There is some really interesting colors and cast nautilus pieces. So you can just choose what type of piece that you'd like for that. So what I'm going to show, this is the Domino necklace piece right here. So I'm going to show that piece. And it has the charms. Any of these charms can be found at the Michael's store. This is the Industrial Chic line. So with the domino piece, I have that here, and all the charms have a split ring attached to the top of this. And I'm just going to choose from any type of charm that I want to hang down from here. If I have a loop that's down on the bottom, that means that I need to hang a piece from there. So there's some charms that actually are the end, and some that I can attach pieces to. So with this piece, I'm just going to go ahead and connect this together. This is the split ring. I'm just going to put my nail in here, and this just takes me a minute. And I have my charm attached. So there's my piece. Now I wanted to show you, I just am working with 3 tools. The whole line can be done pretty much with 3 tools: the snips, the chain nose pliers, and the needle nose pliers. So here's my leather. This will come in a grouping like this. And I'm just going to take it and snip the length that I need on here. Make a choker. Okay, and then I'm going to slide my pendant onto the piece to do this piece. Okay. In the line, there's actually some really beautiful, beautiful colors that we worked hard at attaining. It's some silk. For me, it's really important to have natural materials. So I chose 3 pieces here. And I'm just going to hold them right out in front of me. And on either side of the domino, I'm just going to wrap a little bit of silk on here, just a couple times around, and hold that down. And then I'm going to take it again, and I'm going to wrap a couple times around here. And then I'm just going to tie this in a knot. Silk, actually, the nice thing about natural fibers is that you can really, they'll stick together well when you knot them. So the silk, I won't have a problem with my knot coming undone. And that's starting the decorative look I want. Now I'm going to take my, these are my metal fibers. This is a different form. These actually just have both ends balled up, so it's comfortable to wear. If the ends are loose, they're just very comfortable to wear. So this I'm just going to hook up. And I'm going to hook these on to control my fibers. So I'm actually just hooking this on and wrapping this. And once I get this on here, I just like to wrap around with my fibers on here and get things going. I'm just going to do one side right now, but you can wrap this on here any way you like, and it just adds a little bit of metal to your jewelry pieces and makes it look really nice. Then what I'm going to do, I can choose any types of the components that I have here. A lot of these are really fun. We did them from cast, hammered out pieces, and different gears and washers. So I'm just going to choose and thread some pieces on. Spacers. Get a few of these pieces on. Small and large. So they're for different sizes. And now I have my piece that's coming together. Oops. There we go. And now for the ends to close this off, I'm going to use the crimpers. The crimpers actually came with the leather pieces. So I'm going to put this one on here, and I'm going to show you how to just crimp these ends on. All I need are my chain nose pliers, and I am just going to flip this right over here, and then bring the other end down on this end, and I'll have this crimped on. And then the next thing I need to do, this one is actually, this one is a jump ring, not a split ring, so I can just slide my lobster claw right on. So now I've got my lobster claw on one end. So it was really nice and easy to do. You don't have to be super strong with the leather. I could just get in there and smash my crimper down. So actually this is the finished piece, and here's how really this piece looks finished here. And just for different variations that you can do with a lot of the charms, this is a wire form, and you just can take the end right off, and you really can thread anything on here that you want to. Any type of piece on here. This one's a choker. Let's take a look at the finished choker piece, and you can choose any type of piece that makes it your own. And for other ideas, actually, here's the project guide, and you can find this at Michael's, and it has a lot of different ideas in here, and there's the piece we just did. But really, to choose your own type of charms that you'd like to work with, and a lot of the sketches and tools and how to put things together.